Welcome to another episode of Aftermarket, and in this video we are going to do an exhaust install on my WL Statesman with a LS1 V8. Right now it's grandpa spec and it sounds like a pedestrian car. It doesn't have that V8 sound, it just sounds like any other car would. So obviously we are here to change that. So I've heard many things online and deciding whether or not if an exhaust actually improves performance. So not only we're going to do an exhaust install today, we are also going to perform real-world results. We're going to time this 0 to 100 to see whether or not if it actually makes a difference or whether or not if it's just placebo. Today we are here to find out. So right, let's get going. Now for those who are new to the channel, this is my 2004 Holden WL Statesman with a LS1 V8. Now I bought this a month back and it is the cheapest in Australia. I bought it for $6,000 and it has done 285,000 kilometers. I bought it from a old grandpa, so it makes this a grandpa spec. It is totally stock. So I did a video about this already. Feel free to check it out on my channel. So obviously this is a really good base to start with, and now we are gonna do a catback exhaust install on this. Okay, so we just shipped our car to Mexico, and yeah, we are just gonna do a 0 to 120. And then we're doing it stock, and then we're gonna install the catback exhaust, do another run, and see how much of an improvement you'll make.
I wish these Mexicans would just get out of the way.
Do you have good tacos though?
They do.
Okay, go.
You need new discs. See this?
Yeah.
That's your discs.
4.46 seconds. 7.11 seconds. When I'm used to Euro car prices, this is really cheap.
Oh yeah, 100%. What's a disc worth? $80 each?
I think so, yeah.
Instead of hundreds.
I'm gonna be rich just by driving this man. Boxing the exhaust.
Cool sticker?
Yeah.
Black Ops. Ooh. What is this?
Oh,
A drink holder.
and a hat. You can have it.
Me?
Yeah,
I
no.
look stupid in this.
That's not too bad.
That is a tip, so we're going from one tip to a jewel.
Nice.
But they will be straight through mufflers. So that way they don't block out the sound too much.
I'm just hoping like it doesn't drone.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, yeah.
You get a nice breeze here. Yeah. And if you're lucky and the bakery's still open, you get some sips.
Okay, so the stock exhaust is out, and what do you think? You were absolutely hating working on this car?
Yeah, definitely heading working on this car. We don't normally do Commodores or whatever the fuck this is, Statesman, same shit.
Yeah, so well, I can see it's a H pipe and a X pipe. What are the differences between the two of them?
Right, so depending on whose, I guess, research you want to go down, this will give you more torque down low, that'll give you more power up top. Noise-wise, an X-pipe will give you more of a high-pitched noise up top, so it's more of an exotic sound. These give you a really nice rumble. So typical of your American V8s, not Euros. Mercedes runs an edge pipe.
Interesting.
Which is why they sound so rumbly compared to anything else that comes out of Europe.
Do you reckon you'll make more power by just installing a catback exhaust?
Looking at this, yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah?
That's really small.
I can't wait to take it for a run and see what times you'll get. We'll bust the myth of whether or not if a catback exhaust will actually add more power.
We'll find out.
Yeah, awesome.
Oh, good God. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
What was I saying about fitment before?
And I'm not sure like if this car has LSD, so while this car is up in the air, I'm just gonna check if it has LSD. So oh, it has LSD. Awesome. It has LSD. Matt is gonna do a first start.
Let's see how bad it sounds.
Oh, it's not bad. It's not too loud.
It's got a nice note.
So we are back at Mexico. Couldn't get enough of the tacos. We just installed the exhaust, and now we're gonna do 0 to 100 and 80 to 120. And let's see.
What did we get before? 7.11 and something else.
4.45, I believe.
So that's down from 711 and 4.24.
Oh, so like
So it actually did make more power. It's like 0.2 seconds quicker.
point seconds quicker. Alright, first drive after the exhaust, and I actually quite like it. It's not as raspy, and it's quite tame, and it really brings out the notes. But one issue that we are having is fitment issues. Even though it booted up nicely, but the exhaust is actually hitting on something, and whenever I go through a pothole or like a rough road, hear like a ringing noise, and the exhaust is just hitting on the body of the car. The exhaust is hitting somewhere in the body, and the only way to fix it is to go to a exhaust shop to get it looked at and get it sorted. So that's that. Now, obviously, having fitment issues, I quickly bring it to an exhaust shop, and they fixed it up for me. It was banging on the diff, it was banging on the drive shaft, so he needs to make a few adjustments. So much for being bolt on. So $220 later at the exhaust shop. Finally, now it's all sorted. Now I'm at a underground car park now, and let's see how it sounds. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. Not only we have proven that it is slightly faster, and it also brings out the V8 note. And the bonus is it doesn't drone when I drive on the highway. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Whether or not if I should go for something even more aggressive, doing the headers, intake, cams, just to bring this even more. Or, you know, should I just keep it this way? Just let me know down in the comments. Now, if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, do follow us on Instagram. I do post updates behind the scenes, all of that on Instagram. And yeah, so we have proven a point. it does make your car faster. So now, if you do like this video, do show us some support. I'll really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, it really do help out the channel a lot. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, take care.